come from the International School of Management in Dortmund, Germany.
I come from Melbourne, Australia.
I am from Mexico.
I come from Germany, from Berlin in Germany.
We come from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.
I come from Budapest, Hungary.
I would just very briefly like to welcome all our international students to the INSEC group. This is a very exciting moment every year for us to see all these countries coming together in Paris.
INSEC has got a well-known commercial reputation. It's a well-known school of commerce, and if I had the opportunity I might as well take it, so I did.
You can choose the courses you like to. There's always something like a little language barrier, but when you try to get into connection with French students, it's very easy, I think.
Quand on suit les cours, quand on travaille dans des groupes, dans des teamwork internationaux, ça c'est déjà très important et très intéressant.
We don't know a lot about the European culture. I mean, I know it's very different in each country, so we came to study that. I mean, we're an international business students, so we would like to learn about international business, and that's why we came here.
When we are able to bring all of these students together, you're able to have a better cultural understanding. So of course, the melting pot, the opinions of the students become more understanding towards the different cultures in the nation.
We're going on a boat race, hopefully.
We're going to be sportive.
À 5, c'est bon vraiment?
Le but justement de cette journée, c'est de créer des amitiés internationales.
Je vais tomber.
Depuis que je suis à l'INSEC, j'ai eu l'occasion de rencontrer des Espagnols, des Asiatiques, des Anglais. Donc il y a vraiment un brassage pluriculturel dans cette école. Je vais complètement profiter de ces aspects-là pour justement rencontrer des gens, me faire des contacts, parce qu'eux évidemment vont connaître plus de gens de leur côté. Et quand il s'agira éventuellement de commencer à travailler ou éventuellement de trouver des stages dans un quelconque pays, quel qu'il soit, je pense que c'est plus qu'indispensable. C'est comme un carnet d'adresses, plus on en a et mieux c'est.